Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be making some simple easy hairstyle for the kids. So first we will tie the hairs like this. Now make the plaits on the back. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Join all the hairs, fold it upward and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs from the sides like this. Now we will take the hairs on the back and join them. Now after that, we will take another section of the hairs, tie them together on the back. Now make the plaits on the sides, fix it on the back and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs like this on the sides. Take small section and join them. Follow the same step for again few more times. Now make the plaits on it, join them together, tie all the hairs and it's ready. Next, we'll tie the ponytail, fix this beautiful hair accessory on the hairs. Now make the plaits on the small section, join the hairs and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back. Now take the front hairs and then make the plaits on it. Take the hairs from the sides and join them one by one to give the lining effects on the hairs. Fix it on the back by making the plaits like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides and make the plaits like this. Now keep it aside. Now take another section of the hairs, join it again and make the plaits like this. First rotate the hairs after tying it. Now we will fix them as shown in the video. Now tie all the hairs, make the plaits and fold it and it's ready. Thanks for watching.